Where has that come out from? Nani ametaja mama elimu?
I'm sorry.
Am I saying that's the topic of discussion? It is very important to learn to be patient and understand the issues that are at stake here. We are not discussing mama elimu. I'm talking about the general performance of this institution. Anyway, my point of concern are 3 issues. One is to do with the academic performance. Then we shall have to talk about the student's discipline. That's another area that we must touch on. Finally, we shall talk about the teacher's conduct. So, I wish that we start with agenda number 3. This is to do with the teacher's conduct. It's like we have a serious go-slow in this institution. And something is not working. And I'm sure you are aware, you people. And for this case, I expect you, Mrs. Mwema, you have to meet all the heads of departments. Can you sit down with them and please remind the teachers under them, they should all be knowing their core business in this institution. And should things not change in their departments, I'll obviously crack the whip. As the heads of the department, I expect them to do that. That's your duty, Mrs. Mwema. I hope you got me right.
Yeah, I do.
We have other issues still. Mr. Ringera, kindly, can you take us through the academic performance, just briefly?
Okay, thank you, sir. I want to allow me to correct that it's Mr. Mwangi standing in for.
I forget sometimes. I know you're holding brief for him. Yeah. Okay, go on.
Thank you. Our school is not. We are not doing very badly as far the academic output.
Hebu nikwambie, hakuna mtu atanizuia hapo kuingia. Hata wakiita FFU fanya funjo uone, hapa sitakosa kuingia. Hata wakileta GSU ama GSK anga whatever. Nobody can stop Kagure. I'm like reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. This is Kagure, not nobody. Unasikia? Toka tuende. Sitoke Mobi. Sasa nani unanunia?
Sam, mom, hii ni aibu gani unataka kuleta shule sasa?
What aibu? Aibu gani? Nakwambia let me tell you. Kama unaona ni aibu, go and tell your father, the principal, could behave.
We want to say that our combined mean for the Form 3 class is 6.3. I think that's not very bad, though we still have room for improvement. Now, if I were to come to the specific, to the individual classes, I want to start with 3 Tiger. From 3 Tiger, I have a lower mean of 5.6. So 5.6 is below the combined mean for the Form 3. Form 3 Lion, we have 7.0.
Yes. Who is the class teacher from 3 Tiger?
Oh, the class teacher from 3 Tiger is Madam Jackbeg.
I wonder. I think there's something wrong with this teacher. The only thing that she knows all through is to gossip around. Kuna kazi nyingine anafanya hapa. Is she not the same one who was telling me at sijui nimekaliwa chapati na bibi yangu? Na alikuwa anaambia there's a new teacher. I think there's something wrong with her. Na kazi yake ni kushinda huku tu na brag vile wasichana wake ante wale wako university sijui nini. Kazi yake tu ni mdomo. Alafu angalia mini yake 5.6. What was her grade last term?
Okay, in the last term, the class had 5.9.
You see, a serious drop. Sini kweli?
Yeah, it's a drop, I agree, sir.
Okay, go on.
So, Lion, I was saying that Lion has a 7.0. So, just like you're pointing out, Tiger has a lower mean. It's actually the one that is bringing the Form 3 down.
Okay.
Then, allow me to come to Form 2. The Form 2 has a better mean, combined mean of 7.2. Form 1 is our best class so far, with a combined mean of 8.3. So I believe that with this kind of thing, if we were able to bring the Form 3 class to the level of Form 1, then I believe we would have some sound in the public.
Good. Yeah. Now, all said and done, as much as the Form 2s and Form 3s have gone up, there is a general drop in all the classes. Is that not true? There is a drop.
Yes.
Because I believe even the Form 1s and higher grade minuscule the other terms.
Agreed.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a very serious drop. So I think something must be done. We must sit down and do something. Yes.
I think with all due respect, Bwana Principal, ni vile sina shida yoyote, lakini mama elimu is the cause of all these problems. Yeah.
Unaenda wapi?
Yaani, mama, huwezi ngoja mambo zenu mkaongee nyumbani. Lazima ulete skando shule.
Nakuuliza unaenda wapi? Kuja hapa Mombi. Kuja hapa. Nikuite mara ngapi? Mombi. Nikuje. Nijilete hapo. Unajivuruta anji kama kondoo, kama kinyonga. Kuja hapa. Na nikisema hapa ni hapa. Nini? What's wrong with you? Mombi, let me ask you a very simple question. Who is your mother? Me. Me. Na asikie na mkuu.
Hata kama nikivunjika mguu, acha nivunjike kama hivyo.
Nani unaruhusia hivyo?
Mama, unataka nifanye nini?
We,
Pole mama. Unataka nifanye aje?
nataka. Sema nataka.
Nataka
Tuende kule kwa dadi. Tukamfunze adabu. Hebu rudia that.
Twende kwa dadi tukamfunze adabu.
Twende.
How does Mama Elimu affect the performance of this school? Kwani is she a teacher? Mama Elimu anafunza subject yani in this compound na sijawahi jua. Ndio ni yana affect performance. When grades go down, Mama Elimu anatokea wapi hapa kwa hii?
But Bwana Principal, just try to understand. Ikiwa kama mimi nimeshindwa, your wife is trying to harass everybody here.
Tumeshindwa.
And it becomes so difficult. Hata huyu teacher Jennifer, I understand she's not even around. Ametoka hapa, hayuko hapa tena.
Are you trying to tell me teacher Jennifer yuko shule?
Hayuko.
With whose permission?
She's not here.
Ako wapi?
I think she's trying to look for transfer.
Kutafuta transfer. Sababu anafikiri nani atampatia transfer? Wacha niwaambie nyinyi walimu because it's like mnielewi vizuri. And especially you. If you think you are tired of this institution, nenda uchukue forms, jaza, come, I sign, uende. Lakini ambia teacher Jennifer, hakuna mahali anaenda.
Excuse me, Mwalimu. I think we need to take the issue of security a bit more intensively here. I'm sure if we tried to get even the regular police to man the gate and the perimeter wall so that at least we can handle the issue of insecurity.
Mr. Mwangi, when I will require any piece of advice from you, nitakuambia. And I can also advise you, when you become the principal of this school or any other, can you deploy those measures you are trying to give to me?
I think Bwana Mwalimu, it's like you are in a very bad mood. In a very bad mood. Just try to take these things positively and objectively. This is only when we can solve all these problems.
Umesikia? Sichezi. By the way, angalia hapa. Inasema nini? Stupid is forever. Ignorance can be fixed. Your father is just ignorant. I'll fix him. I'll do what? Fix him. Mumbi. Mimi sina shinda na baba yako. I'm just protecting my family. Just? I'm just
protecting our family.
Yani,
I thought, can we please allow you some bit of time?
kalisha hiyo mwili yako. Sijamaliza na wewe. Nimesema kaa chini.
Kama ni principal, ako kwa ofisi yake madam.
Unjua ni ngombe? Sikiza. Mimi si story yangu na mtu. Niko na meotiza. Kuja. Acha nipige. Kuja
Nyinyi watu it's not about Mrs. Mama, please. No.
Nimekuvumilia kwa tulo.
Unajua nitawaitia polisi.
Polisi gani?
I call the police. Nyinyi watu